So it's very important to swap your summer rims for winter rims. Like, I'm gonna take these off the Hyundai right now. We got these custom Bosons made just for this ascent. So we're gonna put these here. And you know, it's very important to get these winter tires, and I'm gonna tell you all about it, so continue watching. What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Bully Kid checking in. On today's video, we are swapping our all-season daily driver tires into our winter set. And I'm going to talk about the pros, the cons, and what you need to install these nice tires to get through this cold winter. If you guys are new to this channel, consider subscribing down below and hit that bell notification.
You should name your video that.
You turned on everything? Bro, you know Goon Squad, right, Rafal, or no?
I don't know them.
You
guys send me the link to them.
You need to learn Goon Squad. Mike, they're building a Viper now. They bought a Viper. The new one.
The new one?
Yeah. Alright guys, so the benefit of winter tires is that the rubber itself is a much softer compound than your all-season or summer tire. When temperatures reach below 40 degrees, this tire has a lot of flex in between its grooves, so it's gonna handle the temperatures much better, and that's how it can dig through the snow. Whereas this tire is gonna harden up and it's gonna be a rough ride, and it won't do as well in the snow for obvious reasons. Now, whenever you guys are buying winter tires, make sure you guys get a rim that is smaller and has a thicker sidewall. The reason for that is in the cold temperature, tires, like I said, they get harder, the ride is much stiffer, and it's not comfortable. So having a bigger sidewall, you're gonna get a much smoother ride in the winter. Also, if you guys can notice the width of these tires, this tire right here, this winter tire, is much more narrower than the factory tire. The benefit of this is a narrower tire is gonna eat through the snow and get you out of a tough situation much easier than the wider winter tire. The reason for that is this tire cuts through the snow, and this tire doesn't cut through the snow.
Got him!
Got him!
Fucking brutal.
A smaller tire and a smaller rim is gonna cost you a lot less, and you can store it in storage much easier. Thank you.
The niddles.
Alright guys, we're ready to install these things. Now these winter sets...
Nimble.
Thanks. Now these winter sets, they're actually a special lug nut design. These are conical wheel lugs, nuts. Mike knows all about nuts. He can answer all the questions. Make sure, you guys, make sure these have hub-centric rings. As you can see right there, hub-centric rings, very important. So this wheel center board sits flush on the hub of the vehicle. If you don't use hub-centric rings, the wheels will vibrate, we will have noises, and it just won't work right.
Vibrate.
Vibrate. I have a few women subscribers on my channel.
My sister and friends.
Cool. Growing up in an Amish family, we don't believe in any kind of electricity. I mean, I don't even know what I don't even know what to say, guys. But this is gonna take a while, so stay tuned for episode 2, where we finish the tire and the installation.
What are you putting them up to?
I don't know.
At least 35.
Yeah, at least. We're good, Mike.
If you want to spend $2.50, the gas station is...
I should this should be like your finish at the end, where you just keep pumping. It just doesn't stop.
10 minutes of just pumping.
Might just, yeah. It's like, thanks for watching, guys, and then I keep pumping.
Extra footage, bloopers, and pumping.
Pumping. Don't worry, I have a video of you doing the same shit last time.
I was going way faster.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and